The crowd hissed the speaker. The crowd hissed the speaker. A car hit him. A car hit him. I can't get hold of him. I can't get hold of him. He got hold of the information. He got hold of the information. She couldn't hold back her tears. She couldn't hold back her tears. We can't start without him. We can't start without him. We hitchhiked across Italy. We hitchhiked across Italy. They went on a long hike. They went on a long hike. Hold the line, please. Hold the line, please. The film became a hit in Europe. The film became a hit in Europe. A hilly area. A hilly area. To hoist a flag. To hoist a flag. The car holds 5 people. The car holds 5 people. He felt homesick. He felt homesick. The hoot of the owl. The hoot of the owl. He gave 2 hoots on the car horn. He gave 2 hoots on the car horn. There was a hold up at the bank. There was a hold up at the bank. Will he come too? Will he come too? Please subscribe and see you.